Hi guys, hope you are well. Today I will show you 3 best screen recorders you can use to record your screen, just as I'm doing it right now. All 3 are absolutely free to use, so let's just dive in. So the first one I would like to show you is called Flashback Recorder, and particularly Flashback Express. So if you come on a flashbackrecorder.com, you see under the downloads you have a Flashback Pro and Flashback Express. So the Pro is a paid version, however you don't really need that. So if you scroll down right here, you see the main differences between Flashback Express and Flashback Pro is that you are not able to edit your video. So a full video editing suite where you can add images, texts and so on, other elements on your video are available only on Pro version. However, I have done another video tutorial showing you several free video editors you can use. So if you're only looking to record your screen and then you are editing your file somewhere else anyway, Flashback Express is a great option to use. Okay, there are no any watermarks and there are no any time limits, and you will get MP4 as a file format once you are done. So to get started, you come up right here on downloads, click on Flashback Express, and you can download your file. It's already saving on my computer. Okay, so you can read installation steps. It's pretty straightforward. You simply download the file, just run it, and then you will have extension on your desktop as well. So let me just launch it. I already have previously installed this on my computer. So it currently runs on version 6.7, and that's how it look like. Okay, so you have options here to recording some region of your screen, current window or full screen. Okay, then you can also add your web camera and your microphone. So once you have set all of this, you will see your video quality. So the free option will let you record up to 720 pixels. However, again, that's pretty decent for the screen recording. Then if you come under the settings, here you can see some hotkeys you can use, okay, to speed up your workflow when you are working. Video and audio settings right here, the frame rate and the video quality you can set up. Okay, you can also on noise cancellation. What I like about this screen recorder is just really easy to use. So you can also record your mouse cursor, or you can simply off this, you can even highlight it. So you have all these settings before you start your recording. So once you are done, you simply click on start recording and it will start capturing your screen. And then you have these keys right here on a sidebar, whether you want to stop it, pause it, or you can just want to trash your recording. And then from here as well, if you click on videos, you will see all your videos you have done right here. So I haven't done anyone yet, I just installed this software. You can access your videos in MP4 format right here. Now let's move to the video recorder number 2, and that's Canva.com. Maybe you have heard about Canva before. You can get all your visuals designed here, all your social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, even websites. So if you would like to try out Canva free for 30 days, including all the premium pro elements, I will leave a link in this video description. So Canva as well have a free version, and that's also pretty decent to get started without subscribing right away. But as I said, if you want to try a pro version, you can do that free for 30 days by clicking the link in this video description. So I have some presentation right here. You can design really anything what you want to record on your screen, whether that's just simple text or full presentations like this. And then if you come right here up and click on share, you have option to present and record at the same time. So if you click on it, it will take you to recording studio. So click on the recording studio. Then from here you can set up your camera and microphone. So you can see you can select the camera, your web camera, and you can also select your microphone. So I'm currently using a snowball microphone, so it will display here as well. Okay, so once you are done, you can see my audio is getting recorded. It shows you the audio levels, and then click on start recording. Here will be your image. So if you have a camera, you will see your own pop-up right here, and you can simply just, talk over your presentation, your text or anything that you have on this screen, and it will be recorded. You can also see the timer, how long is your video. You can pause it from here. You can then resume your recording, and you can also just simply click here to end it. Now Canva is saving your recording. Again, it will take a little bit of time if it's longer. So from here you can copy the link and share it with your audience. You can save it and exit. It will be saved on your Canva dashboard, or you can click on download and save your file as MP4 video as well. And last but definitely not least, the screen recorder I'm using right now, and that's called OBS. OBS is free and open source software you can use to record your screen. It works on Windows, Mac and Linux as well. If you come on download, you can just select your operating system and download the file to install it. Again, it's straightforward. You simply install the file and just run it through. Now once you have done that, that's how the OBS will look like. So I'm currently recording this screen. You can see my recording is in progress and I can stop it right here. So I will do that once I have done this tutorial. Then you have settings on your input. Then you can access settings from here. Okay, so if I click on settings, you can see you can specify the output of your screen recording. Okay, you can set up audios, videos. You have hotkeys as well. You can do your own hotkeys. You can just add them how you want to define how you start streaming or recording of your screen, and some more advanced options. So and then here it will display sources of your input. So we have audio input capture and display capture right now. You can also do live streaming, and you just need to set up your streaming provider, whether that's Facebook or YouTube. And then I have done another video tutorial showing more in details how to get started with OBS, starting from the very first steps once you have installed the software into your computer. So if you would like to go and watch this video, I will leave the link in the video description. So by far I like the OBS the most. It's a bit more advanced than Flashback Express, but still quite simple to use. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, do subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever we upload new videos, and we do so every single day. Now go ahead and watch this video as a next one, and I'll see you there.